Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mailchimp landing pages with SEO-friendly content, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Mailchimp landing pages with SEO-friendly content, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the main dashboard. Locate the landing page you wish to edit and click on it. In the landing page editor, focus on the main content area. Begin by updating the headline to include relevant keywords. Make sure your headline is clear and compelling to draw in visitors. Next, update the body text with concise and informative content. Incorporate your SEO keywords naturally throughout the text. Avoid keyword stuffing, as it can harm your page's search ranking. Add relevant subheadings to break up the content and improve readability. Use bullet points or numbered lists where appropriate for better organization. Now, scroll down to the image section. Upload high-quality images that relate to your content and optimize their alt text for SEO. Ensure the alt text includes your main keyword and describes the image accurately. After updating the images, review the call to action buttons. Make sure they are clearly visible and include action-oriented text. Next, check the page URL to ensure it is SEO-friendly. You can edit the URL to include keywords relevant to the content. Once all updates are made, preview your landing page. This allows you to see how the changes look on various devices. After reviewing, click the Publish button to save your changes. Monitor the page's performance using analytics tools. This will help you understand how the updates impact visitor engagement. Regularly update your landing pages to keep the content fresh and relevant. SEO is an ongoing process, so stay informed about trends and algorithm updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.